Meet Paul, a distribution centre manager. He works at a national retailer where it's his job to check the goods in. At this DC, that's a lot of deliveries. Once the goods are unloaded, a check is made against the supplier invoice. This is an important but tedious and time-consuming task. Any discrepancies that Paul finds are passed on to Nisha, the financial controller. She will then add it to the long list of suppliers she needs to contact about invoice disputes. This can be a lengthy negotiation process that challenges supplier relations. Over the course of each hour, day, month and year, this checking process adds up to an enormous amount of lost time, money and employee frustration. Nisha and Paul are aware of the inefficiencies with the current goods-in checking process and have been researching ways to do things better. Nisha believes she has found the answer, having discovered Orridge, a trusted stock-taking provider that delivers accurate and cost-effective supply chain inventory solutions. Nisha and Paul are convinced the Orridge Good Faith Receiving Audits, also known as GFR, will save the company time, money and a great deal of frustration. The board agrees and they give the go-ahead. For GFR, Orridge checks a small sample of incoming supplier deliveries and reports how their accuracy compares with what's been invoiced. That sample is then extrapolated to create a definitive view of the supplier's delivery accuracy and therefore what the retailer should be paying. There's a smarter alternative to the status quo, to consuming needless cost and time, checking all supplier deliveries and resolving invoice queries every day. Introduce the Orridge GFR Audit Service and benefit from light touch supplier delivery auditing, a streamlined receiving process, simpler consolidated invoice reconciliation, substantial cost reductions for you and your supplier. Because most deliveries are no longer subject to a checking process, this means that the retailers' and suppliers' time is liberated. With Orridge Good Faith Receiving Audits, retailers can free up warehouse and distribution centre staff, focus on more important tasks, raise staff morale, improve supplier relationships, and save money, while suppliers can reduce delivery time and cost, reduce admin time and cost, avoid payment delays, improve customer relationships. Orridge, the company that counts.